What are the things we discussed in the last classes? I think, where is this? GitHub. My name, React. Now, let's see. Let's see what more to discuss. Till now, what we done, sir? Till now, we have done we have done JavaScript revision, React introduction, components, nested components, props, state, use effect, conditional rendering, less, context API, class components, lifecycle methods, routing, forms, controlled components, uncontrolled components, libraries, Redux toolkit, hooks, CRUD operations, Git and GitHub, Firebase. No, we did not discuss Firebase, but we discussed what is TypeScript, what is Next.js in the last class. Now today we will discuss the project. Okay, we will do one project and I will give you the basic one which you can improve it into your better. Okay. Now, before we start, does any one of you tried any projects? Online, anyone tried any projects, ma? Online, anyone tried any projects? No. Okay. Let's see. I will give you some ideas, project ideas. Such as you can make something like movies, movies app, which is like a OTT. Audio streaming, audio streaming, kind of Spotify, news app, so that the people will type and they will give the some kind of news broadcast, or chart app, real time chart app, or e-commerce website, or blog, quiz. But try to add AI into all of these things. Try to put something AI related ones. Now in resumes, people look for something AI related ones. AI related, AI related projects. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, any questions? No questions. Now let's see online. Someone did their portfolio. Let me open them. It looks too simple. About me. It's going to about screen, but it's taking time to load these things. Projects, it's showing all the projects. It has a filter. I love this filter one. Skills. It has all the skills and they use some slider here and simple and semantic and clean code, responsive web design, performance design, cross browser compatibility. Perfect. Contact, contact. Good, it looks good to me. Any other? Anyone else have their portfolios, ma? Are you guys started doing your portfolios? How much time it will take it then? Mostly the tomorrow will be the last day. If you have any things, portfolios, bring it up. Okay. Now let's go here, sir. Online, any questions, ma? Online, any questions? No. Now, now what I'm going to do, I will use the TMDB API, TMDB API, and using the TMDB API, I will find it the how to do, basic OTT. We will do our final project as a basic OTT one. Let's go here. How to start it? Go to terminal, new terminal, cd react, npm create white@latest, project, movies, movieflex, movieflex, movieflex. Which one you want to go with React? Which one you are going with TypeScript? You can even use TypeScript or JavaScript now. Actually, you had a basic idea on TypeScript, which is like it will use data types. Okay. You can use opt for TypeScript also. The code will be exactly similar. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? Any doubts here? Online? Which one you want to go with, TypeScript or JavaScript? Let's go with the TypeScript. कुछ नहीं होता. CD, Movieflex, npm install. But TypeScript will get so many errors actually because all the things you need to careful about your data types. Now, npm run dev. Which is a npm run dev. Now, next, what are the things you will install, sir? Now, I want to install CD React, CD Movieflex. Now, in this, what the things I will install? I will install something like npm install. What more we can do? React router DOM. React Router DOM, npm install React Router DOM, Tailwind CSS, and motion, and there is a famous one, like what is the UI library I want to go with to make it app simple one. UI libraries we will use. In UI libraries, different people go with the different UI libraries. Okay. There are famous UI libraries. I think in one class we discussed UI libraries, which is like ShardCN is the famous library UI. ShardCN, or you can use Material UI, MUI, or Bootstrap, or ShardCN, or if I go to the ShardCN, you can take these components like this by default. If you go to Asseternity UI, this one is also will give you basic UI. Okay, kind of this kind of effects it will give. Okay, these kind of things also it will give. If you go to the components, you can see so many components are there. See these things, how much smooth they are. And you need to use the, if you wanted code, automatically if you click the code, they will give you the code. Okay, this one is so easy if you are using this Asseternity one, or see these things, grid layout, or this is like highly animated one, or you can use one library which is like reverse UI, which is also popular in the recent days. This contains so many components. If you want any component, you can take that component, ask it like, see the code, you need to log in and you will go here. Or next one, reverse UI or Chakra UI. Same thing. Chakra is also UI, also will provide you so many components which you can use it for Chakra UI. See, it also gives you so many components. See, huh? What ma? Can't see. Brightness is full only. Can you see now? Is it like last one can't see? Why? Is it projector problem? లాస్ట్ నుంచి కనబడట్లేదంట, కొద్ది చూడరా. Like last ones, no one is cutting. You are getting it. Only you are not getting it. Lights ఆపించండి. Lights ఆపేసేయండి. What about now? చూడదాం. See, all these are open source only. You can use them however you want. Chakra UI, Material UI, or Ant Design. and design. See, it contains different components. See, if you go to different components, it will give you how to use that component. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, ma, online? No. I am going with the simple minimal design. Shard CN. Now, these are mentioned in Doxer. I think I mentioned them. If you go to the libraries list, UI libraries, see, material UI, chakra UI, Shardsian UI, and design. These are the popular ones. Okay. And it's up to you if you wanted to use React Bootstrap or Ceternity UI. You have so many others, your wish. Any questions, ma? No. Good. And I told everyone these are the project ideas I'm thinking, but project ideas should be useful. For example, in our class, like one person did a project to show all the libraries in one file. That is useful. Same way, I want you to make it something useful product. When your product is useful, obviously you will learn a lot. Okay. Now let's go here. React, Movieflex. Now go to the app.tsx, RFCE. Now I have this in TSX file. Now I also have React Router DOM, I think. How to install the Tailwind. Tailwind with npm install Tailwind. Then go here, type it here in config. And go here, import. Go to main CSS. Go to app.css. Online, any doubts, ma? No. Import browser from React Router DOM. React Router DOM. Then here we will write it here, browser router. Whole app will be inside the browser router. Inside the browser router, go to app. App will contain routes. App will contain a folder called components. Components contain header.tsx, footer.tsx, and go here. Here, I will write it here, header, RFCE, RFCE. Go to the app, write it here, header, footer, import, footer. Now in between, I will write it here, routes. Inside the routes, routes, routes. You have routes. You will give path. If path is home, automatically component. You need to give what component it will go. So I will create it here. One other thing called pages. In pages, I will put here component, home component, home.tsx, about.tsx, home about movies.tsx, movie.tsx, movie.tsx, not found, not found.tsx. Any doubts, ma? Online are everyone clear? Someone is asking JSX na, but we are using TypeScript na. So that's why वो TSX हो गया. Okay. Good. Components. Home. I did not write anything. RFCE. 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 Now go here. Here, I will write it here. Home component. If you are going to the route, path, about, go to component, about component, about route, path equals to slash movies component, movies component, route, path, uh, movie component, movie slash movie ID, which is the dynamic routing. If it is a dynamic routing, I will go to the component movie. Next one, if it is route undefined, if the route is not there in any one of the above, then automatically it will go to the not found one. Online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? No. I hope it's clear for everyone. Next. Next one. Go to header. Sir, did we install React Router DOM already? Yes, we already installed it. If you see it here, I installed React Router DOM and the Tailwind CSS and the motion at a time only. Next. Go here, header. I just want to give it a simple nav bar having div this is a nav header div movie span clicks class name text 2xl or 3xl 3xl text white class name text blue 500 next one here navbar contains ul li inside that link asterisk 3 li each link will contain what is link we are getting it from the link react router dom link will contain two which will have a path which is normal home link to slash home about link to movies next button login class name btn 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 which is like what class names we can give bg I'm not getting tailwind suggestions so I will go here tailwind intelligence BG, blue, 600, text, white, text, 2XL, text, center, class, list, unstyled, flux, gap, 3, originally flux colon, but when I go to the medium devices, automatically flux will become row. Next, whole thing is display flux, class name, BG, green, green, padding top and bottom something 5, left and right something 10, flux, flux justify between text, black, and here each one size should be increased, class, class name, text, excel, text excel, over, text, blue, 500. Copy, paste. I want transitions to be good. So I will go to my CSS. I will say everywhere transitions all 1 second is next. Gap 5. Here padding 4. Padding 4. Rounded. Rounded. Online any doubts, ma? Online any doubts? No. To keep them vertically center, item center, item center. Now you can see it like it's kind of responsive also when I go for mobile screens. I want it to be responsive when I go to the mobile screens, which is like Flux initially colon, but from medium devices it's row. Any doubts, ma? Next one. Next one. Same way footer. Footer. BG class name. BG black. Text padding Y. 5. Text center. Text to Excel. This side belongs to XYZ. And copy 2025. Any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts here? In middle home component, nothing is there. Online, is it clear, ma? Next one. Next one. Go to the OTT one, which is called TMDB. Create an account in TMDB one. Now I go here. I wanted to see my settings. And in settings, if I go to the APIs list, I will have my own API. This is my API key. Copy. Let's go here. Let's create one file. Dot env dot local with underscore API underscore URL equals to, sorry, see, online any doubts, ma? I don't think so. Let's go here. Let's go to the documentation. Where is documentation, not discussion? API documentation. Good. Now let's go here. Let's see how to bring all the movies. First one. First guy. Can you check someone is out? Check someone is out. Now we already did something similar. Now let's check it here. Let's check it here. Movies. How to check the movies, sir? How to print the movies? You need to read the API so nicely. No, it's opposite. Movies. Now I want to see the movies one. How do they do? How to print the movies? So here, movies. I think I will go to the get request of the movies. Get the trending movies on TMDB. What is the URL? See this URL. api.themoviedb.com.org/3/trending/movie and time frame. What is the time frame here? You can read it here. Time window is a string required defaults to day. You can change it as day or week. Day or week. Okay, let's take this. Now you go here. I think I need to pass the API key also, but I will try it. Go to movies. I will put here one value, const time, comma, set time window, comma, set time window equals to use state. By default, time is week and I need to import the use state. Now here I got the time window. I need to write the use effect. Why you are writing use effect, sir? Because use effect is the default one, which you can write it. Use effect. Now in this use effect will take two things. One is callback and another one dependency. If I give empty dependency, it will show only one time. But I wanted to give dependencies of time window. If time window changes, use effect will be called one more time. In this use effect, what you are going to use? I wanted to use something called Axios. Which one I'm using, ma? Axios. To the people who don't know, you can install one library called Axios for kind of, operations. Axios. So I installed Axios, import Axios from Axios. Now, good. Now let's go here. Axios dot get why it is not coming Axios? Is it like this? Axios dot yes. Now I'm getting get in this get request. I'm keeping up here this time window. Time window I will give it based on dollar time window. Whatever the time window is there. And I think I need to pass the API also. Hmm. How do I pass the API key? Question mark. API key equals to I will take the API key. How do you take the API key, sir? I need to import it. Const API key equals to import dot meta dot env dot dot env dot with underscore API underscore key. I will get the API key and here I will give dollar API key. If this one is successful, dot then if this one is successful, whatever the data I got it, the data I'm printing it here. Console.log data. Go here, data, go to movies, right click, inspect console. Somewhere URL is wrong. API underscore key. Now it's successful. Now it's successful. Where is the answer? Answer is inside the data. Answer is inside the data. Now you can see it, sir. Answer is inside the data. Inside the data, inside the results. Where is that, ma? Inside the data, inside the results. So now I will go here inside the data, inside the results. Now I got the array. This array contains so many things. We already did similar, ma. Okay. Now I will go here. I will say const trending movies, trending trending movies or trending comma set trending equals to use state initially empty array. Now here I will give trending set trending. Any doubts here? Online any doubts, ma? Online any doubts? No. Let's go here div dot buttons. Div dot buttons. If I will give two buttons, button asterisk 2, one is day, another one is week. Week. Now, if anyone clicks day, on change or on click, automatically, if anyone clicks the day here, it will become set time window e dot target dot text content, whatever the text inside the e dot target dot value. It is saying it like inside the target, it may be there, may not be there. So let's go here, question mark. Property value does not exist. But we know it's already there day. Yeah, it is there actually. It will be there. This target is the problem. Text content. Event. Why it is not taking import event interface. Next. If I click day, it will become day. It will give week, it will become week. Now after this, I wanted to print. To print them in kind of like a scroller, I will use something called Swiper.js. Docs, Swiper React, npm install, Swiper. Now go down. Now import Swiper slide, import Swiper CSS, @ import Swiper CSS. Now go here. Here all the trending movies I wanted to print. I think we decided for Shartsian, right? Uh, we thought to go with the Shartsian one. Shartsian components card or carousel is there already. in this. In this directly carousel is there. Anyway, we already took that now. Why to stop it? So I will just go here, swiper, swiper. Now here, card, card, take down the card. Is it outside of the div, sir? Yeah, it is outside of the div. Like only the two buttons I put it separately. The two buttons I put separately. Now I need to do card. I added card. My doubt is it written only one div na? See, I think you didn't understand. It returns only one div. See, this is what it is returning, which is a semantic element. Inside that you can put it multiple, na? Now copy. Now here, all I need is I need to put a card inside the card, card title, card description, card content, card header, header content, title and description, and then card content, then card footer. Each one will contain card, card, inside the card, card title or card header. In this card header, img. Now, what is the image, sir? Here you are getting it one array. Now, if you go to that array, sir, in that array, you are getting it something images. Now, I wanted to print this array first so that we can see in the console. Console.log, console.log, data dot results. Why I'm getting error? Why it is not taking? This is the component one. It is not working here, so I will take the component. Go to component, create it here, card.tsx. Now, what more we have errors? Why it is taking this much big array? CN utils go here, downloaded four components into UI folder. Components. Hmm. Where is components? SRC UI. So they are telling it in the documentation. They are telling in the documentation when you download it from the shared CN, it should come into the folder. But why it did not come to the folder here for me? Oh, it did not complete only for me. That's why it is saying error. No import alias found inside the TypeScript. TypeScript should contain import aliases. Go here, go down. Now try. Yes. npm Shardsian, Tailwind, component copy in tsconfig.json. tsconfig app.json. Next, update the following thing into video.config and npm install. All see every time understand ma. All you have to do is follow the instructions. The more easy you follow the instructions, the more easy your thing will complete. I'm just following the instructions. No, good. Next. React SWC. Correct. This one is done. Go here, movies.tsx. Now if I install npm install latest init, which color you wanna go? Neutral color. Use force. Now what happened? Let's check it one time. What happened? Now if you check clearly, sir, there is one folder added called library. In this folder already something called util.ts automatically. Now I will try to do card. Let's install the card this time. Maybe it will work. npm shardsian latest. Instead of button, I want card. Inside src, inside components, there is a folder added UI. In this folder, automatically card code came. Okay, it automatically came. So now you don't need to worry. If you get it this error also, this error you can solve because already library is there. Now dot dot slash dot slash library slash util. Now you got it. Finally, I got it, the card. Now, anyway, where am I? Here. Now, online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Now, I got the card. Here is card header. Inside card header, I put this one. Then, card title. Then, card content. Content. Next, card footer. Now, in this card details, I want to put the actual data which I got. What is the actual data which I got? If I refresh, see, this is the actual data I got. In this data, where are the images? Now, first, I have the ID. I have original title. Title. Let's go with the title. Title is Thunderbolts. So I will take the title. And what I need to do, title and overview is the content and backdrop path, poster path. See, poster path. Sir, is it coming full image? Only image ka path is coming. So how do you get the full image? So you need to check it here. TMDB poster path. If you go here, they will give you full image ka link. No, they are telling me to go to this. Take a look. Take a good look at it. Okay. You need to read the documentation. The more you read documentation, the more you will have. No, it's not. Images section is this. See, this is the image URL. Correct. I got it now. See? So I go here. I go here. Now, this is the image. Dollar. I got it. Because I am using the template literal, I should put this. Then I will give, instead of this path, I should give dollar inside the tre- trending one. So trending one will go with some kind of trending one will go with something kind of uh, loop. So how do you make it trending one is a array? How do you make it a loop, sir? We can make a loop. Take this all inside trending. This trending one. If trending one is there, then only trending dot map. Then I will go here. Map will contain two values. Map will contain two values. One is V, second one is I. V is the value, I is the index. Now, each time V contains poster path. V dot poster path. You can see it here. What is the name they are giving it? Poster path. Poster underscore path. So I will go here. Poster underscore. आ गया V type no one knows. See here, type is the problem. So I will give the type any. So it will not say any error if you say any. Now here, each time I need to pass the key value. Key value is V dot ID. Now here, V dot title. I need to give the value V dot title. Next, sir, here V dot title, title. And next, after the title, what I need to print? Uh, overview, overview. Is there any rating one? Vote average, vote count. Hmm, that's it. Overview, overview. Now you go here. Everyone see this. Now it printed three. Now it printed three. Why it printed only three? Where are arrows? Swiper. Now see here. On slide change. Slides preview. Arrows. Where is the swiper one? Swiper React export two components, swiper and swiper slide. Okay. Autoplay. Navigation. Row. Modules. Autoplay. Copy. Paste. Is it coming now at least? No. Why only it is coming? At the rate. At the rate. At the rate. At the rate. Now you can see it online. Online, can you see it, ma? Some kind of arrows are there. If I click this arrow, I can make it autoplay true. So I will go here, same way as I do this. Go here, auto play. I don't think it's playing. Good. It should automatically play. But we'll just fix it up. If I click here week, day, week. If I go click here day one is coming. If I click week one is coming. Okay. It will change according to the day or week, and we need to decrease the size and all. I will change the font sizes and all, and tomorrow I will put the each one page. We will put it more into this, and we will also see it like how the login logout sign up will work. Is it clear, one? Yeah. And in case if you have any question, you can let me know. Okay. Any regarding anything, and tomorrow I will provide you interview questions also for further classes. Okay. Online. That's it for today. Thank you all.